from DRD Allotment. Welcome to Wet Plot today. Got a few jobs to do today, some beds and all that to build and beds to fill with topsoil. Topsoil is there, ready, so that's what we're going to be doing today, so we'll crack on and catch you later. Oh, morning. Putting topsoil in. There's a rake over here. I think it's just going to need one in there.
Oh, no, I think it needs another one.
What? Even though it's getting topped up with
Yeah, that will do. That will do.
you have to lump that side.
What?
Okay, beds have got topsoil in and we're busy covering them to keep the weeds until we get we're getting compost. Danny's putting that one across that to keep all the light out as much as possible. Right, Warren, one more. Unless you want to put that on top. In that corner just to block the light on that. No growing on there, is it?
No.
So, that's what bed's up to now. Doing. Start to dig the tatey bed up there. All that's been cleared along there. Well, a massive pile of wood along there, as you know. That's all. Didn't stay tuned properly. That's all been burnt. So it's getting very windy here, so we're just looking for bits and pieces to secure how this is doing. But that's what we've done up to. That's what we've been doing up to now. Tomorrow we'll be getting a load of compost. So these will be topped up with compost, covered again, and ready for planting. This one's going to be with strawberry bed, so we're going to use them. We're going to put a mesh. We're going to put a mesh over. It's going to be lifted. Once this is lifted, it's going to have to be dug over, weeded. Maybe put some more topsoil on, and then look at putting strawberries in. I'm going to make like a mesh thing over. That is just going to be left. That's going to be left. That's why we're covering it over. That's going to be left until we can get some more of these, and we're going to probably make thingies. I would like to make another one here. As you see how windy it's starting to get. So I think we're in for some more strong winds. So we've got we're starting to batten the hatches now, ready before make tracks. But hopefully April we'll be ready for planting. And all this hard work will start giving way something. To say, load of topsoil there, there's more to come. That's going to get covered with the topsoil as well. And that's going to end up going to be like a wild garden. And hopefully we'll get this rush moved. And it's all I can say what I've done for now. So I'll show another video maybe later on during the week, because we have got a big job to do on the shed. We're actually knocking part of the shed down, and so we're going to have a smaller shed because one of them, the roof's completely knackered, and it's going to be easier just to knock part of the shed down, rebuild and reuse it to rebuild the other parts. So we're hopefully going to get that to do that this weekend. So just got to depending on the weather. So I'll say goodbye for now, and don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll catch you again later. Bye for now.